have some more people coming in, more family, friends, and family coming in to enjoy New Year's Eve. This is kind of what people do in Laos. You know, it's a lot of family just gathering together, drinking, enjoying themselves right here. So they're gonna eat, drink, and then celebrate New Year's Eve. Okay. Okay. Oh, sheบอกอยู่แล้ว
ยังไม่บอกให้พูดเหรอ
เคยปิดพยาบาทปิดเนื้อ
ขอสีแปลด้วยแปลคิดนี่แหละ คนอเมริกาเห็น
มันก็เป็นพยาบาลเด้อ
โอเค ยังจะมีหัวหรอก
อยู่ห้องหมอมึงสิโคตรตะบองเด้อ
คนจะได้นิสัยดีพอแล้ว
Party time โอเค Happy New Year ปีใหม่นะอุ้ย
กินมาไม่ยืนห้องยูทูบไปเลย
เอาอย่างเอา
ต่อมาเอ้าเคยไม่ได้มีแฟนแล้วบ้าง
คือหนังเลยนะ
ขอยังโสดนะขอยังโสดนะ
บอกว่ายังโสดดีกว่ามันยังโสดแล้ว
Yeah, this is for New Year's for our family. So, โชคดีปีใหม่
It's been a long time to meeting him, so
Yeah, a long time.
it's kind of like maybe 6 years,
10 years now.
10 years already. It's 10 years already.
Yeah.
This is for my kids.
Yeah.
School
For his son.
price, ticket, right? Yeah.
Welcome to New Year's 2025 in Vientiane, Laos. We're at Namecheap or Patuxai Monument. This is the place to be if you want to celebrate New Year's, and this is a big party. Things are just getting started here tonight, but as you see here, there are a lot of people here. There's just a lot going on, and this is a beautiful monument, but during New Year's, it gets even crazier, and a lot of people are just getting together right here, but there's stuff going on all around this area. And let's go ahead and check this out. We got the fountains over there, we'll check those out. But this is basically New Year's or Pi Mai. And so check this out. Got the colors going on in the monument. Lights. Wow, yeah. And then we have the countdown right across the street, right there. So we have the countdown to 2025. We're gonna have fireworks, lights, all types of cool stuff going on. And this is the best place to be, in my opinion, if you are in Vientiane. Wow, look at this. So we're gonna go across over there later, but this is where a lot of people like to come, even if it's not New Year's, the fountains, but there's some festivities going on here. So check this out. Go ahead and see how this looks like. And later on, there's gonna be a light show, fireworks, and everything else that you come expect from New Year's. And people are just building up here. So let's check this out. And there's normally just a water fountain show here. And today, I think it's going to be a little extra special. So, there is basically going to be a lot of concerts, shows, the whole night. Check this out. Okay, go to the front. Look at this. Wow. Look at that. That looks awesome. So here's part of the light show and some music's coming on. Traditional Laos music. Ah, there it goes. Woo! Yeah. Woo!
เดี๋ยวถ่ายได้เดี๋ยวใครโดดลงน้ำ
ยอดมาเรียนบ้า
as much as we can. There's already some fireworks going off. But there are some performances up here in the front. Traditional Laotian dances. Oh man, I don't know if you can see it. Okay, so here we're coming up to the Beerlao section. You see what I mean, but Beerlao has a huge presence here, and actually the biggest beer company here in Laos. But they're also a huge sponsor of these events. And you see that here in 2025 New Year's countdown. And it's right across from the monument over here. Let's see this right here. Ah, that's so beautiful. Alright, so here is Beerlao Countdown 2025. It's music, food. Yeah, check this out. This is packed in here. Countdown to 2025. Cool. So here's the concert area. There's a photo booth over there. Beerlao be fun. Then we have a food area over here to the left. So here we are at the food vendors. There's stalls, there's small food trucks. There's a lot of food here. So during the New Year's, there's many, many delicious offerings. And Beerlao is everywhere. Let's check this out. Beautiful how they have this set up. And right now it's not quite super packed yet, but it will be later on tonight. So it's probably a good time to get some food while you can still get around. All types of food here. Laos food, Chinese, Thai. There's probably even some Japanese food as well. So here's the other section. Check this out. Wow, all types of food here. Man. So just look at all the food vendors, food stalls, all the people here. Yeah, this is awesome. You want to come get a meal, enjoy the New Year sights right behind us. So happy 2025 here from Vientiane, Laos. Have a wonderful, safe New Year's, and I'll see you next year.